So in the last video, you have seen how to fetch an image from the internet by using a network image URL. In this tutorial, you will see how you can work with image assets that you can load on your app so that you don't need to fetch them from the internet, and you can use them anywhere in your app without having an internet connection. So first thing first, we will create a new folder named as images, and we will place all of our images in it. Now we will drop our images in the images folder just like this. So now that we have incorporated images into our project, it's time to tell Flutter where our images are stored, and for that we will go to our configuration file, which is Pubspec.YAML file. Firstly, we will see what is YAML file. YAML stands for YAML and Markup Language. YAML is a human readable data serialization language. It is commonly used for configuration files and in applications where data is being stored or transmitted. So here in this configuration file, we can add the SDK version, our assets and fonts etc. in here. So let's go ahead and uncomment asset by pressing Ctrl// and after that replace your image file name in it, and remember you have to take care of the indentation. One tab is required for the main heading and 2 tabs are required for the subheading, so keep that in mind. So now we have to save this file by pressing Ctrl+S, and after that you will see Flutter pub-get automatically run, and by doing this we will be able to use it in our main.dart file or any other project file. So now we can head back to our main.dart file, and instead of using network image, we will use different type of image, which is asset image. And now in asset image we will incorporate our image by typing single quotes images/jb.jpg, and it knows what is images.jb.jpg because we added it to the configuration file. So now all we have to do is run our app and see it. Let's run our app, and you can see that our image is incorporated in the center of our app. One thing more, if you want to add multiple images to our configuration file, then it would be a hectic task. You have to add all these images like this and take care of indentation. So for that you can simply type images/. It will get everything inside that folder into our projects. Now hit save and Flutter pub-get will automatically run and you are good to go. Now if we reload our app, there will be no changes as long as your images will be in the images folder that we created. So that makes your life easier. So that's it for this video. We will see much more in the next videos. Till then, goodbye.